Hello all. In this video, we demonstrate on creating polls in Kentico 12. Log in to Kentico CMS desk with your credentials. Now click on Kentico icon, go to Content Management, then select Polls. Select New Poll. Enter desired display name, title, and question. Then click on Save. Now enter message after vote and click Save. Now go to Answers, and click on New Answer. Then enter desired answers. Then go to Security and edit if you want. Now select the view to display the poll. And you can verify it. Then you can see message after vote. Now you have to add this poll in your desired page. So, click on Kentico icon, search for pages, and select your desired page. In the Design tab, click on Left Zone, and select Add New Web Part. Now search for polls, and select it. Now select poll name which you have already created. And configure your own properties. Then click Save and Close. Here, you can drag the poll section wherever you want. Now check the poll module on Live page. Thank you for watching this video.